Egg drop soup is a very common home-cooked dish in Korea. In recent years, Pollock Roe has become a popular ingredient in pasta and many other dishes because of its rich umami flavor. Today, my sister decided to add it to a simple egg soup. One of her kids had caught a cold, so she wanted to make something warm and comforting for the family. Let's see how this simple homemade soup came together. When I was a kid, I didn't really enjoy soup very much. It always felt like I was filling up on water instead of food. But a few years ago, something changed. I started to appreciate the deep, comforting flavors that only a good soup can have. In Korea, there's a bit of a stereotype that older people love soup. I'd like to believe it's just my taste changing, not my age. If you have never had Pollock Roe before, don't worry. It's basically salted fish eggs, which may not sound very glamorous. But it has a rich, savory flavor, and Koreans use it in everything from pasta to rice. Today we are giving it a new job in egg soup. This might sound a little silly, but ever since I was a kid, I've always felt a meal looked more satisfying when it had two different protein dishes. Today we have egg soup and air-fried meat patties, so it already feels like a really hearty meal to me. For today's epilogue, we'll show you a little glimpse of summer in Korea. My sister's family went to a valley where the kids swam in the stream and everyone shared a meal together. And as usual, I wasn't there. It's my sister's family again. Please stay with us until the end. I don't know how this looks to you, but as someone who has lived in Korea my whole life, this is what summer in Korea feels like. Kids playing in the stream and families enjoying samgyetang together nearby. I used to do the same when I was a kid. Sometimes I really miss those days. Summer can be hot and uncomfortable, but it also has a feeling that belongs only to summer. I'm not sure if it's the same in other countries, but many churches in Korea hold summer camps for children and teenagers. When I think of summer, I remember going to church camps as a child and visiting swimming pools with my family. My mom would make fried chicken from scratch and pack it for us to take to the pool. After swimming, it tasted like the best chicken in the world. I'm sure you have your own summer memories too, so please share them with us in the comments. I hope today's video gave you a little moment of peace. See you again next time. Bye.